I'll be reviewing the ICEPURE RWF4700AC fridge replacement filters. If at any time during this review you're interested in checking them out or grabbing them at a great price, be sure to visit the links below this video. Ever wondered what's lurking in your drinking water? You might be surprised. Even with modern filtration systems, tap water can contain chlorine, odors, and tiny particles that affect both taste and quality. But don't worry, I've got the perfect solution to keep your water crisp, clean, and refreshing. Meet the ICEPURE ADQ77473935 replacement water and air filter, a game changer for your refrigerator's filtration system. If you own an LG or Kenmore Elite fridge, this 3-pack replacement filter set is designed to fit seamlessly and deliver high-quality purified water straight from your fridge dispenser. Why is this a must-have? Powerful filtration for pure-tasting water. With its NSF ANSI 42 and NSF ANSI CAN 372 certifications, this filter reduces up to 99% of chlorine, along with other impurities like THMs, VOCs, and unwanted particles. That means no more weird taste or odors, just fresh, clean water every time. Premium food-grade materials. Safety is a top priority. The ICEPURE filter is made with BPA-free, lead-free, and natural coconut shell carbon, a powerful eco-friendly filtration material. The 0.5 micron outer layer ensures that even the tiniest contaminants are trapped, leaving you with healthier, better-tasting water. Easy installation and compatibility. No tools, no fuss. Just twist out the old filter and pop in the new one. It's compatible with a wide range of LG and Kenmore refrigerator models, including LMXS 28626S, LFS 26973D, LRMVS 2806D, and many more. If your fridge uses an LT1000P filter, this is a perfect replacement. Long-lasting and cost-effective. Each filter lasts up to 6 months or 200 gallons, depending on usage. Since this is a 3-pack, you're set for the next year and a half. That's an incredible value compared to expensive OEM filters. What's the catch? While this filter does an amazing job at improving water quality, it doesn't remove fluoride. So if that's a concern for you, you might need an additional filter system. But for everyday water purification, this is one of the best replacements available. Final thoughts: if you want better tasting, cleaner, and safer water from your refrigerator, the ICEPURE LT1000P replacement filter is an excellent choice. It's affordable, easy to install, and delivers premium filtration. Don't wait until your water starts tasting funny. Grab yours today at an amazing price. Check out the links in the description below and upgrade your water quality now. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.